Dude, this Emma.
Up rocket ult.
No.
Oh,
No.
this dude.
Who did that? Fuck you. Your mother. I need to get rid of that sound alert. Oh god. Y'all be pissing me off with that shit. Oh fuck. Let's see on the payload. Right guys? Yes sir. Okay, let's try this again.
There's a mag on guard, just stalling guard. There's a mag on guard.
What? What? Oh my god, I hate my life. Bye AFK, good night, I love you. Your odds are crazy, I know, I'm getting a bag. Cry. Have you heard about the horror film from the perspective of the dog? I have not. Makes me think of Courageous Cowardly Dog. Oh, wait, I haven't. What is that? Lost Ghost, Patrick, thank you guys for follows. Welcome. Good morning. All I'm gonna say is give me a 3-second countdown when you start queuing. Man, don't even. Fled, thank you for the follow. Are you winning? I don't know. That ain't right. Bro, be nice, man. Oh my god. A woman, they scare me, that's even worse. Oh. Virgin talk. Want it paused? That's okay. Let him talk shit. Skywalker, thank you for the follow. Seeing as I'm useless again, BRB and make something to eat before my stomach decides to eat itself. Go get some food, Dilly. Between strong. I'm just a baby.